Welcome! Today we're going to fold a traditional origami frog. Here at Heap Art, we're trying to encourage people to connect more using origami. If you like origami and you like paper airplanes, subscribe and click the bell for notifications. We'll be delivering something new every single week. This traditional origami frog is different from the traditional origami frog that you always see on other YouTube channels. I learned this one from my younger sister, which in turn learned it from her best friend in high school. With that said, I think you're going to really enjoy this one, so watch until the end to see the difference. Now, enjoy the clip. And our traditional origami frog is complete. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. I'll be delivering more videos like this every single week. And once again, thank you for watching and see you next time. Click left for more paper airplanes, click right for more awesome origami like this.